Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to make tables using HTML. First, let's open Notepad. Okay, let's save this file. HTML. And there you go. I'm pretty sure you know what a table is. A table is just a tabular system that shows how one set of data relates to another set of data. How do you create a table? From the name, you can guess that we have to use the table tags, and that is right. So now that we have our table tags, what should we do? Well, a table is made of rows, right? So we need a row. For that, we need the tr tags. The tr stands for table row. Now, unless you're creating a part of a table, you will always need some headers. For that, you need th. th stands for table header. Okay, now that we created our headers, what should we do? Well, we need another table row to make the data. So for this, we need td. td stands for table data. Okay. Okay. Now that we created our table, let's see how it looks like. There we go. Now from here, you can see that while the data is arranged to look like a table, there is no borders. We generally see tables with borders. So to fix this, you actually need CSS or cascading style sheets. For now, I'll be posting the code to add the borders in the description. But in future lessons, I'll show you how to use CSS. Okay. Yeah, now that we got our table, let's discuss an issue. What if one of these data fields has no data at all? So let's say, for example, test 4 has no data. Result 4 was replaced with nothing. For that, to fix that, you just put empty data tags. There you go. Okay. Now, what if we want to add a whole header to tell what the table is about? To do that, we first need a new table row and then the table header, and then whatever name you want to put. Yeah, that's a bad name. However, from here you can see that, let me zoom in. From here you can see that although it created the header, it applied to only the first row, column. We want it to apply to all of the columns, in this case all of the 5 columns. So to fix that, we need to set up a property for the table header. We need to set column span, that is like how many columns it should go, set to 5 in this example. There you go. And actually it will be better if I put this. Yeah, much better. There you go. So this column span property will set how many columns should a data cover. And using the rows property, you can add as many things as you want. So what if I want 2 datas coming next to each other in one row? Well, I do the same thing, except I adjust the column span values to work with each other. There you go. Now, what if I wanted to add some data here, but to cover both rows? To do that, I just use row span. So I create a new data. So in this case, it just does it like this. So I need row span equal to 2. There you go. And now that I added a second data piece, I'll need to adjust these first 2. There you go. Actually, it would be better if I did like this. There we go. So this is how you create a basic table. Now, usually if you do have blanks in your data, like this, you usually want to fill it with something in its place, like a item. So this is how you create a basic table using HTML. Now note, to add the borders, I had to use this CSS code. If I were to get rid of this, well, the formatting will stay, but there are no more borders. So you will need this piece of code to work. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.